Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your EDIFIER X5 Pro quiet? Firstly, maybe you need to clean a grill, so open ear tips from your earbuds and then check the grill and clean it. If you don't know how, at this channel we have video about it, so you can check it. Next one, if this is a problem only with one earbud, we can change sound balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then on Android. Now go to the settings on your Apple, and then to accessibility. It's located under the general settings, so click on accessibility and you need to also scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual. You need to click at this line and scroll down a bit here, and right here we have sound balance. So to change it for the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right. But once you increase it for the right earbud, you will lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute the sound on your left earbud. And it's the same with the left one, you need to just move this dot to the left. And if you increase it for the left earbud, you will lower the volume on your right earbud. And that's it for Apple device. Now let's move to Android. And on your Android you need to go to the settings, then scroll down and you need to find accessibility. This phone I have it at the bottom, so tap on it and scroll down again. Then we need to find audio adjustment, and also I have it at the bottom. Tap on it and here's audio balance. To change this balance for the right earbud, you need to move this slider to the left, and you will increase the volume on your right earbud but lower the volume on your left earbud. And if you, let's say, use it 100%, you will totally mute the volume on your left earbud. If you want to change it for the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. And that's it. If it didn't help you, I recommend it to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!